Hello friends, today we will see replacement operator in Python. This replacement operator we are going to use in Python's inbuilt function, that is print function. So how to use this? I have declared two variables, a is equal to 100 and name is equal to Ram. Now I will print this on the console, these two values. So I am passing these two arguments to print function. Now it is showing me 100 and Ram. Now I want to format this output using replacement operator. So how to do this? You have to use print, then you are passing one string to this print function, so you have to use string. I will use name is. Now I am using this replacement operator, and marks are. Now again I am using this replacement operator. After this you have to close this string, then you have to use format method on this string. Now I am using this format method, and to this method you have to pass two arguments. I am passing two arguments because I have used here two replacement operator. So whatever the value I am passing to this format function, those values will replace this replacement operator. So first value I want to replace with name, then second value I want to replace with a variable. So if I run the code, I will get the output. It is name is Ram and marks are 100. In that way, your these replacement operator are getting replaced with this whatever arguments you are passing to this format method. So next I will show again another thing. So you can pass here index also, means whatever arguments you are passing to this format method, those are having 0 and 1 index. So if I give here 0 and 1, so this will get replaced. Now again I am getting same output because I have passed here first argument and second argument. Next I will show you if I interchange what happens. I will show. If I give here instead of 0, if I give 1 here and here 0, so what this is first argument, this is 0th argument, so the 0th argument will come here and first argument will come here. Now because I have passed here a, because of that I am getting 100 here, and here I have passed first argument, because of that I am getting Ram here. Next I will show you another thing. I can directly pass arguments here. So instead of here I will pass here Ram, instead of that I will pass here Sita, then a is equal to 95 I am taking, and instead of these indexes I am using directly argument names. So you will get here name is Sita and marks are 95. Means in these three ways you can use this format method on the string. So in that way you can format your print statements. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.